How to track referrals on the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you inviting friends or clients to Wise? Well, in this video, I will show you how to track your referrals directly from the Wise app on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app and log in to your account and make sure that you're using the account where you sent the referral link. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your account settings, you can simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as referrals and rewards. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, there you can see the option labeled as track referrals. So simply tap on it. And this section shows how many friends or business joined Wise through your link. Now whether they have completed a qualifying transfer or if any reward is due to you. You can also tap share link to send it directly through messaging apps, emails, or social media and grow your reward even faster. And that's it. That's how you can track referrals using the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.